For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using a monitor that's anything but a game changer? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH/N. It seems to be one of those rare monitors that delivers more than just good performance. It also offers an impressive array of features at an unbeatable price point. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed display without breaking the bank, this might just be the perfect fit for you. However, before we dive in, let's take a closer look at what sets this monitor apart from others on the market. The ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH boasts an impressive 27-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1080p/N. This means you get crisp and clear visuals without straining your eyes, making it perfect for marathon gaming sessions or binge-watching your favorite shows. But what really caught my attention was the monitor's ability to deliver up to 1 ms response time, which is essential for fast-paced games that require lightning-quick reflexes. But there's more. The ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH also features AMD FreeSync technology/N. This innovative feature eliminates screen tearing and provides a smoother gaming experience, making it perfect for gamers who want to take their gaming to the next level. Therefore, if you're looking for a monitor that can keep up with your gaming needs, this one might just be the answer. Rehook, want to know what I like most about this monitor? Let me tell you. So what's not to love about the ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH? Well, for starters, it's incredibly easy to set up/N. Just plug in your cables and you're good to go. But that's not all. This monitor also comes with a range of connectivity options, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB ports. However, I found the lack of built-in speakers to be a bit of a letdown. But don't worry, there are plenty of other features that make up for it/N. The ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH comes with two X1W built-in speakers, which, while not the loudest, provide decent sound quality. Therefore, if you're looking for a monitor with great sound, this might not be the best option. Rehook, but here's what I love about this monitor: its versatility. One thing that really impressed me was the ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH's ability to adjust to different lighting conditions/N. The monitor's adjustable height and tilt make it perfect for users who prefer to work or game in different positions. However, I found the lack of ergonomic features like a built-in USB hub to be a bit lacking. But let's not forget about the ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH's impressive warranty/N. This monitor comes with a 3-year limited warranty that covers parts and labor, giving you peace of mind in case anything goes wrong. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable monitor with great support, this might just be the perfect fit. Rehook, so what's my verdict on the ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH? In conclusion, the ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH is an impressive monitor that checks most of the boxes/N. With its full HD display, AMD FreeSync technology, and adjustable height and tilt, this monitor is perfect for gamers and users who want a reliable display. However, I found some minor issues with the lack of built-in speakers and ergonomic features. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new monitor and are looking for something that's feature-packed without breaking the bank/N, I highly recommend checking out the ViewSonic VX2758-C-MH. For the best price, click the link in the description to get yours today.